So in East Coast Creatives plan, their vision for their website, they really wanted video to be obviously a key marker here. They are a production company, so they didn't want their site to feel bland or static. They really wanted the site to move and kind of give their audience a peek into what they do and how they do it. So we incorporated a lot of video elements into their site, and even kind of using these cute little play icons as a way to link to various pages. Monica is also known for really marking up notes with a highlighter, so we kind of added that element into the site as well. And you'll see that we've used video elements to kind of span the width of the site. And we even have a fun little playlist here that people can access to kind of get a feel for their work. They've been featured by a lot of different companies, and they've worked with a lot of different well-known brands, so we really wanted to highlight that as well. And of course, their DIY blog is a huge piece of what they do. They're really known in that home renovation space, from doing segments on Live with Kelly and Ryan to Rachael Ray to the Today Show to their own original branded content. So we really wanted a spot for people to check out really popular things that have been featured on their blog. And of course, their entire blog is accessible down here. Now, Monica is a well-known host when she is on live television. So we really wanted to create a separate page just for Monica to really show off her personality. So we have some great images here. I absolutely love Monica's headshots. They look awesome. And then we have this kind of fun little GIF that shows a little bit of her personality. And someone can kind of walk through this little quiz that we have here. We also have a fun little slider that shows off Monica's really unique design style. Now we also have a partners page. So this is a little drop down, and this page talks about Monica and Jerry as a team, since they are the partners behind East Coast Creative. So this really gives people a feel for how they work together, as well as their own separate personalities and kind of what they're known for. We also have a few little mood boards throughout the site that just kind of show off the team and show off their work. So all in all, I absolutely loved creating this site. I loved bringing some really unique elements like the video and the GIF features to this site. And it's been a lot of fun to bring their personal style into this and create really a hub for everything that they do.